I'm Tay.
And I'm Ash
from Ash and Tay Paranormal.
We're in Florence, Kansas at the abandoned Santa Fe Railroad Depot.
In 1871, Santa Fe Railway extended a main line through Florence, Kansas, and the town flourished.
In 1904, the depot caught fire and needed to be completely rebuilt. The new depot was built bigger, better, and more beautiful than the original. What we see today is the remainder of the rebuild.
By 1993, the depot was entirely abandoned and slated for demolition, but still stands today.
We would love to speak with somebody if someone is here. Peace again. Mom again?
Yes.
Is someone here?
We're just here to talk.
Mom.
We're investigating the abandoned Santa Fe Railroad in Florence. It's cute, yeah.
Maybe we have something interesting to say. Okay, so there's a whole open doorway over there. Is that mold up there? Or what? Friends again.
I heard friends again too, yeah. We're trying to figure out if it's residual or if it's answering us.
Can you give me a name?
Violet.
I heard Violet. Or Vi. Violet. Is Violet the name?
We think she might have gotten a name.
My name is Ashley. And
My
this
name's Taylor.
Phone.
Are you waiting for the train?
Is this hard for you to use?
Life.
Life is? Is there anyone here?
I heard me.
What is your name? Adam? Adam, it's a pleasure to meet you. That's spike to orange. Adam, can you hear us?
No energy for them to pull. More. What do you want to talk about?
What did you used to do for fun? This? Is talking to us fun? No.
No. Nick? Did we hear you right? Did you say Nick?
Here.
Here.
I heard hear me. Feel free to use your voice and talk through the box.
Andy.
I don't know. Don't quote me.
This is a beautiful depot. I wish that we saw it during its heyday.
Yeah,
Energy.
I think
Energy.
you can use the energy from the camera. That was cool though. Have you ever talked to someone like this before? Whoa. I keep hearing hello. Are you safe?
Plus.
Love.
Love. 100% that was love.
Adam, are you there?
Yep.
Adam, do you want to talk to someone? Can we come back? Wait.
What?
We want to speak with someone. We're going to try again in a minute.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's very interesting.
Yeah. It's like I'm convinced, but still.
The Adam thing was very clear.
Yeah.
But like we have some things that worked.
Yeah.
The spiking.
Yeah. Which is not obviously not doing it now.
No, like it wasn't doing that at all
Exactly.
consistently.
Exactly.
There was a lot of voices, but a lot of that was residual
Yeah.
and not clear answers.
Is that train coming here? That would be fucking awesome.
No.
So that was cool. It's cold. We got it at 250, which I think is fine. Oh, it's spiking. Okay.
So it's Ashley again.
And Taylor.
Taylor.
How to work?
Just use your voice, and we'll hear you. Yeah. Did somebody come in on the train?
Force.
Force or force? We can almost hear you guys.
Is that?
Power. I'm hearing my name. I heard my name. I just heard my name. We need to leave soon. Is there anything you'd like to say?
You can. Remember?
Remember? You have enough energy to step up to the green light. It'll change to like orange like I did before.
Oh shoot! Shoot! It did spike it.
Waiting.
Waiting. Kinda. Yeah.
I heard like a little scared.
I think we're gonna have to go. Thank you for talking with us.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Okay. We're just gonna pack it up because it's dark. I don't wanna like
Oh my god.
that was we can talk about it in the car too.
Yeah. Let's.
Alright.
We need to sage and we need to.
Because you may not follow us.
No, you may not follow
We
us.
do not permit you to follow us or attach to our things in any way, shape, or form. You can't see me.
I legitimately cannot see shit.
So I am waiting for Ashley to call. We are going to discuss and debrief. Okay. So we didn't do any kind of conclusion or conversation. We talked about it, but we didn't do anything to like end the video. So here we are.
Yay.
So I looked up all those names. I looked up the Florence like cemetery and death records and stuff, and none of the names matched. We got like Adam. I heard I even looked for Nick. We're not sure about Nick, but I thought I heard it. An Andy and Violet. I don't know who they are, and that's okay.
Well, and that's why it kind of leans into my theory that these locations don't necessarily have to have a big event for this to happen.
Yes.
Just because they didn't die there doesn't mean they don't want to be there.
Yeah.
Or they found comfort there or fun. With Adam, I felt like he was the most conscious and vocal.
Mm-hmm.
Violet, everybody was saying Violet, which is very interesting. But the one that I felt that was most vocal is Adam, when he was saying like I want to try and stuff like that.
Yeah.
And then the orange flashing.
Yeah.
If anyone was conscious, I would have to say it would be Adam. And we were talking to so many people because you could hear it in the spirit box where there was so many different voices.
Yeah.
And again, so different from the other locations that we have. But like they were also saying mom.
Yeah, 4 or 5 times, and it was a grown ass man. Like maybe not like 50 years old, but like could be like 20s, just an adult man. I don't think he was talking about us. I was just gonna say at first, like when we first turned on the spirit box, it said peace like 3 times. and friendship and all that, and then it like never said those things again. I don't know.
Well, I find it interesting that the spirits that we communicate with are very clear that they are there for peace. Then other times that it hasn't been so clear.
Well, if somebody
But-
said that to me, if somebody was like, "Don't follow me home," I'd be like, "Bitch, I'm not." You know, just like I'm
yeah,
not
that's
that.
what
Like,
they were saying. They were
I,
like,
yeah,
"No, we gotta establish the rules."
yeah, boundaries.
I think that was a very interesting experience for somewhere that was not supposed to be quote unquote haunted.
Yes, yes. But it also
Somewhere that's
hasn't
not
been
known.
investigated before, probably. Like, we could have actually legitimately been the first ones to actually bring a spirit box there and try to communicate.
Which would be super cool, especially, with the fact that they were a little shocked. What convinces me most about Spirit Box and why I do love the Spirit Box versus any other tools of communication is because we can hear the inflection. The thing is with the K2, we don't bring our phones with us.
Yeah.
And when it's right there, like the whole time I was sitting there, my phone wasn't on me. It was in the
Yeah.
car.
So.
And so when it was flashing orange, I mean, for me, and it did it again and again, the
Like,
reason why I don't believe it's radio at all is because we get swear words.
that too, yeah.
And not only is it cognizant of what we asked,
Yeah.
you don't swear on the radio.
I mean, obviously, I think it's paranormal. It's still wild to me everywhere we go. Because, like, other places have strong personalities, right? That we've been to. And then places like this where it's just like, we don't really know who we're talking to. And that's okay, but they're just people, like normal people. Any final thoughts? Any final thoughts?
Final thoughts? I want to go back.
Yes.
I'm not ready. It's at the abandoned Santa Fe Railroad Depot.
Big deal.
Caught fire. Oh my god.
Fucked it up.
In 1904, the new
Flood that we want to.